Hello music producers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is David Fritz, and in this video you're gonna learn exactly how to produce deep house like Kygo. Today we're aiming for a very chill track, something really groovy, but something which has like a slower BPM. Usually I produce tech house, which is around 126 to 128 BPM, so now we're gonna go down to, let's say, 122, 21, just to slow it down a little bit. I really like those chords because they sound really emotional, and I think especially when you produce music, it is really important that you're choosing the right chord progressions because they define what kind of emotions the song needs to bring across. When we produce deep house like Kygo, we don't need the same kicks as like a house kick or an EDM kick. We need something very settled, something really, it needs to have some proper low end, but it needs to be more soft. So let's look for some good kicks here. Something like this, but with a bit more low end. Just a bit, like boost a little bit the low end here. The kick is a bit too loud though. Add a bit of reverb to the piano. Not delay, reverb. So now let's add some percussion, something which is going like tick 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 tick. Something like this sounds really beautiful. I'm just gonna create the loop myself, so let's just go on percussions. I'm looking for something very soft. Yeah, this one sounds really nice. Very important trick, when you use percussions, if you use hi-hats or claps or kicks, they need to be in the right key, because you definitely heard the difference here. Nee. Yeah, this isn't the key, you can hear that. I have this feeling that this drum is a little bit too harsh, so we're gonna compress, but just, or let's say limit, we're just gonna compress the beginning because it has a very intense transient, so we're gonna cut that down. Way better. Look at the difference. By the way, if you want to get this specific template where all the channels are already assigned, in this place you can see drum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, automations already, everything preset, already a hi-hat pattern installed, and on the mixer channel we have 50 channels already ready with ready-to-go mixing chains, vocals with those auxiliary channels, with reverb, with a high pass, low pass filter, so you don't have to load up every single time. You're gonna save yourself heaps of time. Make sure you go on the link in the description over Scraps, or you can buy this specific template for $5, but the amount of time you're gonna save yourself in the next years of production is gonna make a massive difference. So definitely make sure you buy this now. There's also master automations, master field separation, master reverb automations, a high pass, low pass filter on the master channel. It's just not a smart idea if you're not gonna buy, so definitely make sure you buy this right now. And you're also gonna support independent musicians like me who are really desperate for your money, so definitely buy this now. It's time for a bass line. Something very simple, something like dum dum. It has to be like a holding note. Let's add now a very natural clap. what would this loop be if we haven't found our Kygo vocals? So let's look for them now. By the way, if you're not interested in learning house music production in detail over tech house or minimal deep tech or deep house, I'm starting an online coaching where I'm basically making 1-by-1 sessions with my clients, and we're basically going to go through the whole process of producing, how I'm producing, and we're going to go through a step-by-step process where you're going to improve your mixing skills, your production skills, your creative process, your mindset and house music production way better. To do this or to sign up for this, go to the link in the description and just message me privately over Instagram if you're interested in this, and we can talk a little bit about what the options are. But this is what I'm definitely excited about. There are just 5 spots left, so definitely make sure you go on the link and message me over Instagram privately, so basically that you're not missing out on this massive opportunity. I really like those ones, but they're on the wrong piece when you need to pitch them up a little bit, I think. Oh, beautiful. So now we need like a very soft hi-hat, something very subtle. But with a lot of reverb, of course. Maybe this could work. Let's find out. So now what is missing in this loop is this main lead, this main plucky lead sound, but it needs to be still very beautiful and not too aggressive in your face. So let's craft something. I found this really beautiful preset. Let's play with this one. I've produced a few tracks on Spotify as well, which you can definitely check out now, like Peace of Nature, or for example, Just a Dream. They just came out recently. Those are really beautiful tracks, and it's not just about the massive drops, it's not about the massive build-ups and drops, but I think personally that deep house just sometimes makes sense if you find this really pretty, let's say, guitar idea or the beautiful piano idea. We finished this loop now, let's listen to it again, and thank you for watching this whole video, guys. I really appreciate you. My name is Fritz, and in this video you're gonna learn how to produce. What?